Hello everyone, welcome to Mechanical Simulation Corner. In this video, I will show you how to make a crankshaft in your SolidWorks. So we will follow these design parameters. So you can see all the dimensions are given here, like the radius, angle, and length, distance from this point to this point. Everything is given here. So we will start from our drawing from here. So we need to at first draw a circle with the diameter 144. So let's go to our SolidWorks. As usual, take part, then take any plane. I will take right plane, then draw a circle, give the dimension 144, then inner side will be 110. Okay, now we need to draw a circle here, and diameter will be 10. Okay, now click on the circle, click here linear sketch pattern, but you need to select circular sketch pattern. So you can see the preview, but in our design it said total I need total 8 holes. So now click OK. Now click on feature extruded boss base. Select the contours to and it will be 15, thickness 15. Okay, complete. Now click here, click on sketch, again make a circle. The diameter will be 72. Click on feature extruded boss base. Now again thickness 30.5. So change it to 30.5. Okay, here you can see. Now again click here, sketch. Now I need to draw this part. So at first draw a circle. The radius will be 80. Okay, now again draw another circle. You can select the perimeter circle. Wait, do the same thing. Okay, now click on line. Oh, wait a minute. You also need to give the dimension. It will be 36. Okay, click here and here. Okay, straight line. Now click on line, click here, then select circle. Again, click on line. Wait a minute. Okay, now you need to give the angle. The angle will be 33. 33. Okay. Now click on trim feature. Trim here. Make the relation tangent. Okay. Now click on feature. The thickness will be also 15. Okay, you can see. Now again click on the surface, click on sketch, draw a circle here, give the dimension 54. Okay, now click on feature, extruded boss base. The distance will be 46. So we need to give the thickness 46. Okay. Now again click on feature, sketch. Now you need to do the same thing. So you can click on convert entities. Click on here, convert entities. Then you can see convert entities to convert. Select this surface. Okay, you can see face 1. Now click on OK. Here you can see. Now click on feature, boss base 15. Okay. Again click on feature, sketch. Now again click on convert entities. Now select this circle. Okay. Here you can see. It will be 38. 38. Okay, actually this is very easy. So again click here, sketch, click convert entities, select the surface. Okay, but you need to rotate this. So click here, move entities. Here you can see the rotate entities. Okay, select surface. Just rotate like this. Make it 180. Okay. Now again click on feature. 15. Okay. Oh, now it was 54. Forty-six. Okay. Just repeat the process. 35. So make it 35. Okay. 80. Okay, you can see our model is ready. Now you can also do some tweaks. You can use fillet here, like this way. Now you can set any metal here, whatever you choose. Just select it. So here you can see our model is ready. So thank you everyone.